What's up guys? In today's video, I created a zodiac inspired look and I paired it with this chunky Figaro chain. I also created this one as well, which I'll be showing how to make. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make all three chains. So let's get right into it. First, you're going to want to cut your chain with this thick heavy duty cutter at your preferred length. Then you'll want to grab your jump ring and use your 2 set of pliers to open it up just like that. Then grab your clasp of choice. In this case, I'll be using this chunky large CZ clasp, and just hook it onto the end of the chain and you close it up. And for the opposite side of the necklace, you want to go ahead and grab a jump ring as well. Open it up and then attach it to the part where the clasp will hook onto. For this next chain, you're going to go ahead and cut it with the heavy duty cutter as well. Press down and it should open up. Next, you'll want to go ahead and grab your jump ring and open it up with your set of pliers, just like we did for the first one. Attach your clasp of choice. In this case, I'll be using this croissant toggle clasp. Then grab your jump ring again for the opposite side of the toggle clasp and hook it onto the ring and hook the jump ring onto the chain. Close the jump ring up and then always make sure that the jump ring is fully closed and there's no open space left behind. And that's all you need to do in order to get this look. For this chain, you're going to go ahead and use your thin cutter and cut your chain at your preferred length. And I'm going to be showing you 2 ways you can close off a really thin length chain just like this one. The first method I'll be showing you is by using this crimp end. And what you want to do is take your round nose plier and place it just in the middle section of the crimp end, and take your chain and slide the chain inside of the crimp. For beginners, I always recommend putting the chain inside the crimp, pulling it out from the other side and holding it with the ring. This way, while you're crimping down, you have it secured in your hand and you won't accidentally let go of the chain and it slip out while you're crimping down. Crimp down just the middle section of the crimp and turn it around and do it on both sides to make sure that it's fully crimped down and the chain will not come out. Take your cutter and cut that excess chain off. For the second option, what you can do is use a owl tool with a thin tip just like this one and insert it into the last link of the chain. And what you want to do is twist, 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 twist until the link has been expanded enough so that you can fit a jump ring on. Once the link is wide enough, you can go ahead and take your O-rings and open it up with your set of pliers. Grab your chain and hook the jump ring onto the last link, and then attach your lobster clasp to the O-ring and close the O-ring with your set of pliers. This part is super crucial because it is such a thin chain, so if there's even the tiniest amount of opening left when you close the jump ring, the chain can slip out. So what you want to do is actually push the 2 jump rings close together as you're closing it, so that once you come to the point where they meet, you kind of want to hear that click, just like that. And then close it back up. That little click will indicate that it's fully closed. This is what the 2 sides look like. In this case, obviously you would have had 2 of the crimp ends on both sides and have attached the clasp with an O-ring. And the cool thing about the crimp end is you don't have to add an additional jump ring to this side because the clasp actually hooks directly onto the ring section of the crimp, just like that. For the last part, what you want to do is take your charm of choice. In this case, I'm going to be using a Leo zodiac sign. And these charms actually come with a bail attached. In this case, what you'll need to do is turn the charm to the back and open up the bail to fit it onto the chain with your flat plier. So in this case, I'm going to be pressing down just like that to hook the chain onto it. Once the chain is inside, what you want to go ahead and do is tuck that bail back and close together. You can even use a different plier to kind of push that together like an O-ring and make sure that it's fully closed. And that's it, guys. That's all you need to do to create this bail charm necklace. So you can always personalize the length to your preferred section of where you'd like it to sit on your chest. This one is a little bit shorter than the first one, and here's what it looks like on. I love this CZ clasp. It's just so gorgeous. It's such a statement. You can even make this shorter or keep it long, just depending on how you like the style. And if you don't want a statement clasp because you think this one is a statement enough on its own, what you can do is just turn that to the back. And this is what it'll look like. How gorgeous, you guys. I honestly can't tell which one I like more. This is what they look like all together. Comment which chain you guys think looks better with this long one. And the cool thing about this is you can really just personalize it to any charm of your choice. It doesn't have to be the zodiac charm. We have so many charms for you guys to choose from in our collection. I'll be sure to link all the products that you can use from this video down below in the description. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned something new. See you guys next time. Bye.